Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through installing WordPress on your NameHero, hosting account using Softaculous with no coding required. First, log into your NameHero client area from your dashboard. Click on Manage next to your hosting plan. Then click on cPanel to open your control panel. In cPanel, scroll down to the software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Alternatively, you can find the WordPress icon directly in cPanel. Click on the Install Now button. You'll be prompted to fill in some details. Choose protocol. Select HTTP colon slash slash if you have a SSL certificate installed. Choose domain. Pick the domain where you want to install WordPress. In directory, leave this blank to install WordPress at the root. Site name, enter your website's name. Site description, provide a brief description at your site. Admin username and password. Set your admin credentials, admin email. You gotta enter your email, select language, and then select plugins. You can opt for to install plugins like limit login attempts or added security, just to be safe. So advanced options is advisable to change the database table prefix for enhanced security. Once you have filled in the details, click install. The installation process will begin, and within a few moments, you'll receive a success message. After installation, you'll see links to your website and the WordPress admin dashboard. Click on the admin URL to log into your WordPress dashboard using the admin username and password you set earlier.